Unveiling the power of silence. Understanding, to hold one's peace. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's both simple and profound. To hold one's peace. This expression is a treasure trove of cultural and linguistic insights, and understanding it can add a new layer to your English communication skills. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the secrets behind these words. To hold one's peace is an idiomatic expression that means to keep silent or refrain from speaking, especially to avoid conflict or to keep from saying something harmful or unnecessary. It's about choosing silence as a response, often in situations where speaking out could cause more harm than good. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments. It reflects wisdom and self-control, emphasizing the importance of knowing when it's best to speak and when it's better to remain silent. The origin of "to hold one's peace" dates back to a time when language was not just a means of communication but also a reflection of social and cultural norms. This expression comes from the Bible, where the concept of peace is deeply intertwined with harmony, completeness, and well-being. Over time, it has evolved into a common idiomatic expression in English, retaining its original connotations of harmony and restraint. Understanding the historical context of this phrase enriches its meaning and shows how language evolves while maintaining its roots in ancient wisdom. Using "to hold one's peace" appropriately requires sensitivity to context and the emotions of those involved. Here are some tips on how to incorporate this phrase into your everyday conversations. In disagreements, suggest someone hold their peace when it's clear that further discussion won't be productive. In sensitive situations, use it to advise caution and restraint to avoid hurting others or escalating a situation. For self-reflection, remind yourself to hold your peace when feeling the urge to react impulsively or speak out of anger. Remember, the power of this phrase lies in promoting peace and understanding, both within oneself and in interactions with others. We hope this exploration of "to hold one's peace" has provided you with valuable insights into not just the meaning of the phrase but also the wisdom it embodies. It's a reminder of the power of silence and the importance of choosing our words carefully. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the depths of the English language.